Knowing others is intelligence, knowing yourself is true wisdom, mastering others is strength, mastering yourself is true power. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them, that only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. When you are content to be simply yourself and don't compare or compete, everyone will respect you. Because one believes in oneself, one doesn't try to convince others. Because one is content with oneself, one doesn't need others' approval. Because one accepts oneself, the whole world accepts him or her. The truth is not always beautiful, nor beautiful words the truth. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. A man with outward courage dares to die. A man with inner courage dares to live. Be content with what you have. Rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. To know that you do not know is the best. To think you know when you do not is a disease. Recognizing this disease as a disease is to be free of it. Watch your thoughts, they become your words. Watch your words, they become your actions. Watch your actions, they become your habits. Watch your habits, they become your character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny. When you accept yourself, the whole world accepts you.